It will be nice if you have instant access to everything you love on your phone, right? Well, your PC app in Windows 10 does exactly same for you. Link your Android or iPhone with your PC to view and reply to messages, make and receive calls and more, all right on your PC. Let's see how to do it. First, you search for your phone app in your Windows 10 PC and run the application. This is an inbuilt application. Now the application has launched. Here you need to select the kind of phone you are using, Android or iPhone. I am using Android here, so select Android. Also please note that to experience full functionality, your mobile phone must be running Android 7.0 or higher. Click continue. Now on your Android phone, go to this link or visit Play Store and install your phone companion app. The app size is around 37 MB. Once you have done with that, open the application and click on link your phone and PC. Then on your PC, check yes, I finished installing your phone companion and open QR code. Once the QR code is ready, click continue on your mobile. Provide necessary permissions to the app and scan the QR code on the system. Click done on your PC and finish the setup on your phone by clicking continue and done. Now the PC and mobile is linked. If you are using mobile data, sync over mobile data should be enabled. To enable the same, click on settings icon in the app on the upper right corner and find sync over mobile data and then turn on the feature. Once you've done that, click on refresh. You can see all your messages will be loaded into the PC. You can read all your messages here, you can reply to them and even you can delete them. Now click on photos in the left side pane. All the photos from your phone will be loaded into the PC now. Select calls now. It will allow you to make and receive calls from your PC. Click on Get Started. This feature requires Bluetooth to work. Unfortunately, my PC don't have that, so it won't work with my PC. Those of you who have Bluetooth in your system may give it a try. Now select Contacts. You can see in preview written in brackets, which means this feature is in preview mode. Click on Display Contacts and you can find all your phone contacts here. On the bottom side of left side pane, you can find the option to pin this app to taskbar and app settings. In the settings, you can customize how to display banners in notification, the connected mobile device details. You can add or remove devices from here. Feature option to customize the settings for each tool. Personalization to choose display and audio settings. Help and feedback to provide feedback on this app. This icon on the top right helps you find what new feature is added into this app after every update. Have I missed the notification option in the left side pane? Surely not. It is a feature to sync the notification from your phone to this PC. For that, you need to provide additional permission on your phone. Click Open Settings on phone. Then on your mobile, you will get a notification from Phone Companion app. Open it and allow notification access for your phone companion. Once you're done with that, you will be able to access all your phone notifications from the PC as well. In addition to this, you will be able to access the apps in your mobile from your PC. As this is in preview mode, it is enabled only on few selected devices. Also, you can drag files between your PC and mobile. This feature also available only on few selected devices as it is in preview mode. Don't worry about this. These features will be available in all devices soon enough. Stay tuned for further updates and information. Thanks for watching.